करिए
ये बस आगे मत आओ।
आगे मत आओ
आओ आगे आओ
आगे आ जाओ आगे आ जाओ
भाई आगे आओ चल के आओ
Please give him your roses, please.
भाई यहाँ पे सेंटर में
पूरा
भाई लेफ्ट में
बस बस रुको अरे जाओ जाओ अरे
सामने से हट जाओ। अरे सामने से हटो।
थैंक यू
चलो स्टैंडिंग
हाँ
एक मिनट नहीं है यहाँ पे ब्रांडिंग
यहाँ पे
एक मिनट सर इधर रुको
सर यहाँ पे
सनी भाई ए भाई मागे काय करतो कॅमेरा येतो तुझा यार बच्चे लोग कॉलेज में फिर भी बच्चे लोग
भाई
भाई
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे हमारे
एक मिनट सनी भाई रुको
थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ आप लोग।
भाई यहाँ सेंटर में
भाई यहाँ पे देखिए एक चीज
Okay, he's like मुझे ऑडियंस था इतनी enthusiastic नहीं लग रही. That's what he's telling me that देव मैं स्टेज पे नहीं आऊँगा. 1, presenting to you Sunny Kaushal. Oh, I didn't think I would be this nervous coming back to college. But it's great, and it's great to be here. It's great to be amongst you guys. I'm your senior, so give me some respect. But anyway, so what do we have to do? अरे हाँ एक और माइक दे दो यार दो लोग हैं यहाँ पे. आज क्षितिज का पहला दिन है क्या? Like am I like flagging it off or something? Oh, fantastic, bro. How many days by the way वैसे क्षितिज चलता है? किसी को नहीं पता भाई क्या कर रहे हो? हैं? 6 पढ़ाई कब करते हो?
ये वो मेहनत की बात कर रहे हैं.
ओह अच्छा.
कितने दिन होता है एक्चुअल फेस्टिवल?
फेस्टिवल कितने दिन?
कुछ
4 days. 4 days. चलो fantastic. Very nice.
But Sunny, how does it feel to be back here at Mithibai as an alumni? Of course, senior तो है ही.
हाँ.
Allowed नहीं है ragging तो वो तो नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. I was on the anti-ragging squad in my time, if there is such a thing. So no ragging.
But how does it feel coming back to the college and today to have your movie out here? We're going to play the trailer now.
Oh really? It feels fantastic. Yeah. It's I was here a couple of years ago as well, and every time I pass by the road, it's just a very surreal feeling. It makes me feel very nostalgic. Mostly for the good days that we have had, not for the bad ones, because who remembers that after 13 years? I'm that old. Anyway, so no, it's great, and it's great to be back. It's great to be a part of Kshitij. It's very close to our heart because I think I've told this story before, but I think I was in my first or second year BCom is when we kickstarted Kshitij again, because Kshitij हो नहीं रहा था कुछ 3-4 सालों से. And then we kickstarted Kshitij again, and I was doing my CA and I could not be a part of the cultural committee. I was very bummed about it, but yes. So yeah, it's great to be back.
And look at the irony. You kickstarted Kshitij at that time, and you're kickstarting Kshitij 24 today.
Yes!
It's the launch, right? Come on, make some noise. मतलब इससे अच्छा moment हो ही नहीं सकता. ये लिखा गया है. तब नहीं part ले पाया as a committee member. Today you're launching Kshitij 2000.
How cool, yeah, that's so nice. Thanks guys, thanks for the honor.
Okay, let's play a trailer of your movie coming up on Netflix on 9th August as well.
Lovely.
Right, Phir Aayi Haseen Dilruba. Make some noise and let's look at the trailer together on screen. What a beautiful trailer. So congratulations for that. I think This makes me just directly go and watch right now. मैं actual में excited हूँ. I've already
Nice,
been
yeah.
binge watching a lot of things on various platforms, but this one I'm gonna go on Netflix and watch that on August 9th altogether.
Yes, please guys watch it and please do let us know how you like it, if you like it, which I'm sure you will.
नहीं एक सीन में तो सबसे ज़्यादा हूटिंग हुई है.
हाँ मतलब क्या चल रहा है भाई, कॉलेज में हो?
एंड जब वो डायलॉग आया ना, प्यार में कुछ तो होता ही है, राइट? दैट डायलॉग दैट तापसी पन्नू वाज सेइंग कि जब तक वो तनाव ना आए, लोग अपने ब्रेकअप के बारे में सोचने लग गए. आई कुड जस्ट सेंस दैट कि चल रहा है, ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, वो कि तापसी पन्नू का हो रहा है, हमारा तो हो ही सकता है.
Yeah, that if you want to look at it that way, yes.
Okay, we can have a seat now.
Thanks, man.
We're gonna have some questions, we're gonna have some games. It's going to be fun, roller coaster. And we're gonna share about your experiences about acting altogether, right? A lot of people here are artists, they also keep going for auditions. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is, when you're not working, how does your day look like? Like, is it like us who sleep till 12 and just don't do anything the entire day, or you are like working out, there's a strict schedule that you're following?
No, if I'm not working, sorry guys, I'm actually a little under the weather, so which is why my voice is like this. So if I sound sexier than usual, then please pardon me. No, kidding. Coming back to the question, my day is very poetic, yeah, because you know it's just me, my bed, and I'm just sleeping. It's beautiful. A cup of coffee, you know, it's nice. I love it. That's it. I just chill. That's all. I'll watch Netflix. I'll watch some anime. I'm a huge anime buff, so I'll binge watch on some old ones, and then sleep late at night again. That's it.
Lovely. It feels हमारा भी ऐसा ही है, सोते रहो, chill करो. But remember
अरे
there
यार
are
तुम
days.
लोग पढ़ाई करो.
हाँ मैं वही बोलने वाला था.
क्या
There
सोच
are
रहे हो?
days when he's working. ये this is when he's not working. So people are like अब तो मैं भी सोऊंगा.
हाँ ऐसा नहीं होता. There are days when you all are not working, which is not coming to college. You all should be studying. ये क्या बात हुई, क्या क्या है? और क्या करोगे? हैं? कॉलेज में पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है? नहीं? ओ भाई टीचर्स देख लो.
है कहीं सामने ही बैठे हैं कि नजर है, जिन ने बोला है नहीं उनके अटेंडेंस पे काफी मार लगने वाली है. Alright, so yes, keep studying, and sir obviously works a lot throughout. When he's not working, he deserves that break, right? So that is the number one thing. With that, I think you must have given a lot of auditions altogether. One experience which you feel was like hilarious, like I will remember that all my life, and ये तो बहुत ही अतरंगी था.
Oh, there have been many hilarious, yeah, because I think every day when we used to go give auditions, there was some funny incident happening. But I think the first audition that I gave of my life, I can never forget that, because I was fresh out of my acting school and I had gotten A+ in my acting school. तो मुझे तो लगा मैं जाते ही audition दूंगा, select हो जाऊंगा, star बन जाऊंगा, wow. You know, ये वाला feeling होता है, because when you're in your acting school. Cut to, I have gone to give my audition and it was for a shampoo brand जो, और कुछ नहीं करना था मुझे सिर्फ ये करना था कि जिम से कुछ तो ऐसे लॉकर रूम में जा रहा है एंड एक बंदे के डैंड्रफ आ रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली, तो मैं शैम्पू निकाल के बोलता हूँ ब्रो तू क्या कर रहा है, हैव यू बीन लिविंग अंडर अ रॉक, यूज दिस शैम्पू, एंड देन मेरे बालों के शॉर्ट एंड ऑल, यू नो, ऑल दैट स्टफ वाज हैपनिंग. तो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने बोला ये करना, मैंने कहा ये तो बाएं हाथ का खेल है, टिल ही स्विच्ड ऑन द कैमरा एंड आई फ्रोज. भाई तुझे एक्टिंग नहीं आती है क्या? हाँ ऐसे ही आ गया ऑडिशन देने के लिए. मैंने कहा नहीं सर एक और चांस सर, एक और. तो ऐसे 2 3 4 5 चांस हुए, लेकिन मैं शैम्पू नहीं बेच पाया गाइस. तो that was that I can never forget, apart from everything else that happened over the years and the n number of auditions that I've given. That audition still humbles me, because it just reminds me of the day that everything started, and when I realized that it's not a bubble in my head and reality is completely different, you know, and I have to bring myself to reality if I have to do anything, achieve anything, and entertain people. So that is the day where my whole motivation to do something in life, to become an actor, kind of took a U-turn.
Lovely. And now the entire journey where पहले शैम्पू नहीं बेच पा रहे, अब देखो, अब तो मतलब जो चाहिए वो मेरे को ही भेज दोगे यहाँ तो मुझे लगा
नहीं यार, that's ऐसी बातें नहीं करते.
नहीं, just kidding, but the kind of performances you've done all together, right? From the moment where you were confident and you froze in front of a camera to now just nailing it. Every role that I have seen.
I try, guys. Like not nailing it. That's very far where you will feel that you've nailed something, but you keep trying. You know. Sorry, continue.
Being very modest, humble, that you know there's so much things to do. For me, it's like okay, this is the epitome. I really love it because so my sister is also an actor, right? So I see the struggle that goes behind just like a 2-hour show that comes on any screen altogether. But what I'm more interested now in is what was that moment when you thought कि यार acting करना है, इसी field में जाना है, यही करना है, this is what is my passion altogether.
There was no one moment where I thought कि यही करना है, because yeah, the thing is that I have never seen a 9-to-5 job in my house. Dad is an action director, so तो वो बचपन से ही हमने ये देखा था कि there are sporadic working hours, and you know dad is gone for 15 days for an outdoor shoot, he's home for 15 days, or you know, so there is no fixed pattern or time of work. So when I was doing CA also, huge respect to CAs, whoever's doing it, that is the thing I could not vibe with, because I understood that when I was doing my internship that although it is great and it's a great vocation and a profession to have, it's not cut out for me, because I don't understand a 9-to-5 job, and that's a very personal thing. So the next thing was to obviously try out in film industry, because that is what I have seen very closely in my house. Having said that, I did not know I wanted to become an actor. I just, right out of graduation, I joined a film set as an observer, assistant director, apprentice, whatever you call it. And I started learning, and that's when I realized that I can give performing arts a chance. And then I joined theatre group with Makran sir, Makran Deshpande, and I did a couple of plays. For 2-3 years I was doing theatre. And that's when I realized that, okay, I have probably a knack to entertain and to kind of play different characters and say different stories. And that's how it started.
And if I have to ask, I think in terms of a role which you feel you've performed, which reflects that, okay, this is like me itself.
Role which is like me? Oh, that's a very difficult question, yeah, because I think in every character you put something of yourself, otherwise you will not be able to pull off that character. But I think the character that I very closely identify with is Jackie Shiddat. Because thanks guys. Because of the very simple fact that Punjabi, you know, that came very naturally to me. And also just the way he viewed life, Jackie's character was very new to me. You know, this ultra optimistic guy who can not only think positively but also put everything into motion and not worry about whether he's going to fail. You know, because I think that is one thing that holds us back in life, that we judge ourselves, we judge our capabilities even before we have done something, because we feel that the ocean ahead is too vast for us, so we don't even give ourselves that chance. And that film changed the way I look at life and I look at myself, because I felt that yes, it's a character, it's a movie, it's a story, it's fiction, but what's stopping me from actually imbibing even 10% of this in my real life? Why am I judging myself and my capabilities before I actually set out to do something? You know, so I would say Chucky.
Lovely. Let's have a big round of applause. I think that particular character was truly amazing altogether, and the fact that you personally feel it's like a reflection altogether for your character. I've asked a few questions. After this, I think audience मुझे बहुत मारेगी इसके बाद if we don't have.
No
have you
violence
circulated
in
the
college,
mic?
guys.
Huh?
No violence in college. Mat marna.
Okay, we've circulated the mic. I think anyone who'd like to ask a question, anyone from the audience,
Oh, we're going to audience questions or what?
audience question.
So, जिसका भी question मेरे को अच्छा लगेगा ना, will get a rose from me. Huh?
सर मैंने भी इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछे
तुम्हारे लिए पहले दे दो तो एक सेकंड.
बस यही मेरा दिन बन गया. Okay, who's gonna ask a question?
ये तुम्हारे लिए है. ये वाला.
ये
ये वाला.
मेरी एक्स की याद दिला दिया आपने.
हाँ बस उसी का काम करना है.
इसलिए हूटिंग भी नहीं हुई. एक्स ही बैठी होगी ऑडियंस में कहीं.
हाँ कौन है हाथ उठाओ.
थैंक गॉड किसी ने हाथ नहीं उठाया. I was like, ये कहाँ से आ गए? Okay, let's have an audience question. We've circulated the mic, right? Who wants to? Okay, there you go. First question on your left side.
Yes, hi buddy.
Background and upbringing influenced your approach towards acting?
My background and oh भाई ये तो सीधा आते ही TEDx talks पे आ गया. But interesting question. See, it's very difficult to jot out your life in the form of an answer because what you've asked is not a very simple question. It's a discussion, right? But I'll still try. I don't know how it's affected my acting, but how it's affected my life is it's given me a plethora of experiences. It's showed me that there's a big divide between, I don't know if I'm able to explain this, but there's a big divide between fiction and reality. But at the same time, it takes a lot of courage to make fiction your reality, you know. So I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm able to explain it clearly. Because Dad was from the film industry, we kind of, from a very young age, understood what is real, what is not. And I'm not just saying it in terms of films and reality. I'm just saying in life as well, because that's the kind of subconscious knowledge that was imbibed into us, you know. And also because we've seen him work from nothing to achieving what he has achieved, it kind of gave us courage to understand that nothing comes easy in life. You have to work really hard for everything, and that depends on you, and that depends on how much respect you give yourself, because that's a form of courage, that you need to respect yourself so much that you wake up in the morning and you say, bro, kuch nahi ho raha hai life mein, but still I will go out and do something and I will make something out of this life. And that kind of feeds into your acting when you're playing characters, because the more experiences you have, the more life you have seen, the better you will be able to perform a character, because you will be able to put that much into it. It's like a painting, right? The more colors you have, you will be able to imagine a scene that much vividly, you know, so you'll be able to play with it better. So I think that's how it has helped me in my acting, and it continues to. Thanks man, here's a rose for you, yeah, because very difficult question. Girlfriend को दे देना.
लोग इतने जेलस से तालियां ही नहीं मार रहे थे, लेकिन उसको मिल गया, मुझे भी चाहिए. Okay, that's it for the audience questions, right?
What? No.
और करने हैं ऐसे. Sir,
और
like
क्या?
मैं इतने
एक दो कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा, एक दो
टाइम
और
नहीं है
कर
यार,
लेते
सॉरी बट एक दो कर लेते
हैं. एक दो और. Okay, let's start here.
Hi sir, how are you?
हैं. Hi, very good. Please don't call me sir.
Okay. So I wanted to ask you which role challenged you as an actor and how did you prepare for it?
This, Phir Aayi Haseen Dilruba. It challenged me a lot as an actor, and the thing is that if I tell you how I prepared for it or anything about it, that'll be giving spoilers, which I don't want to. So I'm really sorry, I'm a little handicapped that way, but I don't know, yaar. Okay, I'll give another answer. Sorry, this can be a post Haseen Dilruba interview thing. So I would say there is a film I did called Gold, in which I was playing a hockey player and I was a Sardar. It was set in the 1940s, India's first Olympic gold win in hockey, so 1948 to be very specific. That was very challenging, because I was very new, and it was set in a period which I have not seen. It was set amongst people that I've never read about. I am not a sports person in real life, and I had to play a sports person in it. So it kind of made it very difficult for me to understand the psyche of the character and where he's coming from, and he goes through a lot in the film. So to kind of imbibe that became very difficult. So I had to kind of pick through testimonies of people who have gone through similar situations in that time. So kind of, just read about people who probably have seen partition, have gone through the Olympics and the athletes who were there, if there were any interviews that they gave and what they thought about it, if there were any statements made and what did it say. So I had to kind of bring all those together and form a psyche for this person who's young, who's very impulsive in life, and kind of bring that to life. And that was my preparation part for it. And obviously learn hockey for 6 months. Yes, thank you very much.
Okay, one last one. I'm gonna go somewhere back before people start shouting.
There.
There?
Some striped t-shirt lady. Sorry, usse pehle. Here's a rose for you. I'll come there, wait.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Hanji.
Okay, over there, out there, if you can pass the mic. Sir has selected her. She's still second guessing कि मैं ही हूँ ना.
Because she just had like...
I think even when you were answering the question, they were raising their head. इस बार तो देव मुझे select करना.
Hanji ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
I just have a small wish from you. If you
Oh.
could,
Please tell me.
I just want you to repeat your famous dialogue from Shiddat as Jaggi that जिस कोशिश में शिद्दत ना हो वो कोशिश किस काम की.
यार मैं भूल गया हूँ यार. I should have been better prepared for this. मुझे नहीं पता था exams आएंगे college में. But I think it goes something like, yeah, I think you said it. Why am I thinking? क्या है ना पाजी कि जिस कोशिश में शिद्दत ना हो वो कोशिश किस काम की.
Thank you, sir.
वो अपना अलग शर्मा रही है वहाँ पे.
ये आपके लिए भी है.
She's like, question तो ठीक है, अब तो मेरे को रोज चाहिए. सर वहाँ तक नहीं आएंगे, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ यार, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. आराम से शी इज वेटिंग देयर कि आराम से सर तो मेरे पास भी आएंगे.